Right, so now I'm looking straight into the sun. What does it look like? How's it dealing with it? These are pretty extreme conditions. Now I'm completely backlit. How's that look? Don't know. We shall see. Okay, so this is the onboard sound quality from the Qoocam at speed on a bike, and I don't know if you can hear me or not. I don't have a clue what the sound quality is like, but I am right by a road, so actually let's do that again. Okay, so this is an onboard sound quality test of the Qoocam. It is quite breezy today, quite windy, and I am going at reasonable speed on the bike. But I don't know if you can hear me or not. Backpack is wobbling around a bit, so I'm just going to hold it down. Testing the dynamic range, going in and out of the shadow and the highlight areas. The sun's pretty bright and pretty low in the sky at the moment, and also test the stabilisation because it is wobbling around like F. So this is the Qoocam8k audio test, internal microphone only. How does it sound? How does it sound compared to the 1R? And then this is also a walking test to see what the stabilisation is like. They're both side by side. They're on a selfie pole. I'm not holding it particularly steady, bumping around a little bit. And then how does it look when I'm backlit?